Wow, that is a coin. That could be Spanish. That is amazing. Wow. Silver. I dug a plug, flipped it back, and look what is in there. That's a Franklin. Holy cow. 1950. That is great. That is nickel size. It's a buffalo. Man, that is a nice one. Okay. That would be the first hole today. And that is a broken light bulb. The base, I'm pretty sure. Or, actually, that's a top, a bottle top. Screw on. It's got a little bit of age to it. Probably turn of the century or so. I thought it was a light bulb at first, but it is not. Cool. See what else we can get. Does anybody have any idea what this is? I just broke it like an idiot, trying to get the dirt off. But that top looks like it was made to look like that. It was on top of one another, just like that. Any ideas? Let me know. It's got a hole in the bottom of it there. Cool. Look at these turkeys. I don't know what in the world they are doing. They are going after each other, that's for sure. Man, there's a bunch more way up off in the distance up there. That is awesome. I guess those are the males and females up there. Might just be showing off. That's cool. There's a closer look at them. They saw me and stopped fighting. I am probably 30 feet from them. They're not running away, they normally do. Very cool. Alright. Let's get to digging. Alright. Found a big iron ring. Guessing probably horse related, something like that. It's very rusted. And there it goes. Oh. Cool. Not sure what it is. Don't think it's like a horse range guide. Okay, not sure. I got another one of them too good to be true signals. '84, '85. Pretty small. It's pinpointing like a coin would. So, let's see what it is. It's only coming up 2 inches, but you just never know around here. The oldest coin that I dug out of here was like an inch. But this sounds good, so yeah. That sounds good, alright. What does that say? P8030. That looks like another piece of like steel from those irrigation systems. Cool. Not a coin, but that'll do. Alright, there we go. I am trying to be very careful with this. That is a pocket knife. and it is falling apart on me here. But that is the same design of that other one I found in the woods. And it is just dropping little bits and pieces everywhere, unfortunately. Huh, it's got some of the wood left on it. Right underneath that. Let me brush it up a bit and get back to you. Well, there we go, guys. I found another piece way down in there. This was such a flaky signal, and it's because it was like 14 inches deep. But I was able to find the other end to it, luckily. And that part still moves. It's hard to do with one hand, but the part that would send the blade up still moves there. And there's some wood left on it. There's the other side to it. Same exact design as the other one. Not as big as that one though, but there's the wood under it. That gave a killer signal. All the blade is gone. All the iron bits are missing. But I checked that hole and that's all I could pull out of it. But that is awesome. At least I got some brass out of there. Nice. I am very pleased with this pocket knife. I was doing this field and then stepped off into the brush here, and of course right in the brush I just hit some good signals. It's where people don't detect, because I mean, look at me, I'm getting all bloodied up and everything, running through this stuff with shorts on, but it's 100 degrees and can't be wearing long pants in here. Great find. See what else we can get. Just got another part to a pocket knife. Just the very end. There's some iron on that one though. With that brass. Clear as day. That sounded like a coin right there. It's a little choppy though, but because of that iron. Cool find. Let's go get some more. And yet another pocket knife part. That is insane. That one's got some iron on it too. How in the world? 3 bits of pocket parts. Pocket watch. Pocket knife parts. Man, that is awesome. I don't know if it's from the same one. That one was pretty well complete and I found the other end to it, but just found 2 more ends of one. I don't know. That's weird. See if I find any more. Awesome. Another signal live dig worthy. I just pulled a piece of tinfoil, and up here, 8586. 2 inches again. Hope it's not another piece of that stuff that I've been finding that's giving those amazing signals. Come on. Let's be something good. Let's get some silver. We got some silver numbers. I'm on a drought. It's been about a month. Okay. I think it's too big to be a coin. What in the world is that? A big old lump of something. Man, these mosquitoes are terrible. Yeah, more of that stuff. Oh well. And yet another pocket knife part. This one was insanely deep. Swallows a pinpointer. Oh. Took me forever to get it out. There we go. See what else we can get. Alright, the hurricane is picking up quite a bit. I don't know if you can see the tops of these trees, but that wind is moving. Oh my god. It is raining very heavily. Holy cow. Man, it's coming all the way down at me. Oh, gonna have to get in. Okay. Man, that came out of nowhere. It's been like this all day, just coming out of nowhere. There's these bands that are coming off of the hurricane, and they're pretty strong.